Hello children, I am Madhumita ma'am and welcome back to this wonderful ride of learning parts and wholes. Now children, in the last two episodes, we have understood about parts, how to find out the parts from the wholes, and also we have understood what is the meaning of like fractions, what is the meaning of equivalent fractions. So today we will continue our journey by applying whatever we have learned in the past episodes. So children, as I had told you last time, there is something called equivalent fraction. What is the meaning of that? That means fractions which are actually equal in value. They may look different. The numbers may be different. But the value of these fractions are same. And how do we find out? That also we have done the activity and found out. Now let's continue this journey. What are we going to do today? Now, this is the first activity. Let's see. Now, this is rupees and paise. You can see on the this screen how many 50 paise will make 1 rupee. Now, children, nowadays we are not using these coins because we are using only starting from 1 rupee. But when we were small, we used to use 10 paise, 20 paise, 25 paise. I think you must be having it at home. And you can keep it for your memories that these are the coins which were used when our parents were small, when our grandparents were small. So, do you know how many paise is 1 rupee? Yes, children, 1 rupee is equals to 100 paise. So, the question is how many 50 paise will make 1 rupee? Now, for that, children, let's find out. Now, we know that rupees 1 is equals to 100 paise. 100 P means paise. So, we have to find out how many 50 paise will make 1 rupees. Now, if we take, I'll show it in a figure so that will be easier for you to understand. Now, let's take this total. This is 100 paise. This is 100 paise. Now, we have to find out how many 50 paises are there in 100 paise. So, let's write, how do we find out? 100 paise divided by 50 paise. That is equals to 2. That means we can have 250 paise, 250 paise. This is 50 paise and this is 50 paise. 250 paise. When we combine together, we will get 1 rupees. Similarly, children, can you tell me how many 25 paise will make 1 rupees? Very simple. Again, what you can do, I have given you a clue here. 1 rupees is equals to 100 paise. 100 paise divided by 50 paise here I have done. So, you have to do 100 paise divided by 25 paise. Did you get the answer? Yes, children. The answer is 100 divided by 25 is equals to 4. So, there will be 4 25 paise coins in 1 rupees note or 1 rupees coin. Now, we have to find out how many 20 paises are there in 1 rupees. It is very easy. Again, you just divide 100 paise divided by, first we had found out 50, then we had found out 25. So, now you are going to divide 100 paise divided by, yes children, it is 20 paise. So, 100 paise divided by 20 paise is equals to how many coins? Do you remember the table of 20? Yes, the answer will be 5. So, there will be 5 20 paise coins in 1 rupees. Similarly, how many 10 paise coins will be there in 1 rupees? Yes, 100 divided by 10 is equals to 10. So, the answer is there are 10 paise coins in 1 rupees. Now, another question is given here. 25 paise is dash part of 1 rupee. So, let's find out. Now, just now we have done this, that 21 rupees 25, there are 100 paise divided by 25 paise. So, there are 4 25 paise coins. How many 20 paise coins are there? There are 5 20 paise coins and 100 paise divided by 10 paise. How many 10 paise coins are there? So there are 10 paise coins. So 25 paise out of 100. So the question is, how many part is 25 paise of 1 rupee? So let's find out 25 paise out of 100 paise. Now that means we have to find out the part of 25 out of 100. Now 100, it is 425 paise when joined together will make 1 rupees. So that means 100 paise is equal to 4 parts, 4 25 paise coins. And how many 25 coins out of it? Only 1. So 1 part out of 4 part of 1 rupee. So 25 paise is 1 part out of 4 part. That means 1/4 part of 1 rupees. Similarly, you can find out 20 out of 100. Can you find out how many 20 paise coins are there? Yes, children, 5. So where will I write down that 5? I will write down that 5 in the whole part, because that means 100 paise is equals to 5 20 paise coins. So 5, and 20 paise is 1 part out of that 5 parts. So 1/5. Now last time we had learnt about equivalent fraction. So can you see that what is the relationship? 1/4 is equals to 2500. They are looking different. They look completely different in numbers, but the value is same. The value is same. Here also 20/100 is equals to 1/5. Similarly, 10 paise, you can find out what is the part of 10 paise out of 1 rupees. So 10 paise out of 100 paise. Can you find out on your own what is the answer? Yes, it is easy. You can find it on your own. Now let's go to the next question. Here we are going to find out from a part to the whole. That means a part of the thing is given. You have to find out what is the whole thing will look like. So first question is shown as a flower. It is the incomplete picture of a flower. This shows 1/5 petals of a flower. That means flower petals which is shown is 1 part out of 5 part. So can you complete the flower on your own? Yes, children. Now 1 part is given and 1 part out of 5 part is given. So you have to complete the flower by drawing the other 4 parts. So let's do it. Now the question is 1/5 of the flower is this. 1/5 of the flower is this. This is the flower. This is a flower, and 1/5 of the flower is given to you. You have to find out how the total flower will be looking like. So 1 part is this. So 5 parts will be 1, 2, then this, then this. So now you understood that if 1 part is given, 1 part is given, and 1/5 is equal to 1 petal. 1/5 is equals to 1 petal. So what is the total number of petals? Nothing but this. There are 5 petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similarly, in the picture 2, the picture shows 1/3 of the blade of a fan is drawn. So complete the picture by drawing the other blades. So now you know that 1/3, if 1/3 is 1, then the whole will be out of how many parts 1 blade is drawn? That is the whole. Do it on your own. Half of the blades of another fan is shown over here. Half of the blade means this fan is drawn and half of the blade is drawn. So other half, can you draw? I will give you a hint. If I draw this picture and I will tell I have drawn half of the picture. Half of the picture. So can you draw the other half? Yes, exactly this. So now can you draw the other half of the fan? Yes, you can do it. It's very easy. Now let's go to a very interesting story. Now this is the story of a very clever woman. Now this woman, how does she manage to calculate so nicely the fraction thing and how she divided? Let's see. Now there was an old woman who had got 3 daughters, and she was a rich woman, and she was quite rich with her 19 camels. She had got 19 camels in her house. Now one day she fell ill, so she decided that before I die, I must divide my camels between my 3 daughters. So she wrote down a will. Do you know what a will is? A will is a document people write down that when they die, that what should be given to whom. That is called a will. Because if we die, we don't write down that, then people will tell, I need this, I want this. So to avoid that confusion, people write down a will telling that this thing should go to this person, that thing should go to that person. So this woman was a very good woman. So she wrote down a will telling that my eldest daughter will get half of my camels, my second daughter will get 1/4 of the camels, and my third daughter will get 1/5 of the camels. Now the daughters were very confused. How will they do this division? If they divide 19 camels, it is not an even number. They cannot divide it by 2. So are they going to cut the camel? So they were very confused and they could not divide it. So what happened? Their aunt, who is a very clever lady, she came. She said, "Arey, just give me 5 minutes. I will divide." So she had got her camel. She had got 1 camel. So she added 1 camel to those 19 camels. So that becomes 19 plus 1, 20 camels. So let's see how did she do the division. So let's see now. Let's see now how the clever woman divided the camels. So there were 19 camels, and the clever woman bought 1 more camel. So now they have got 20 camels. So according to the will, the first daughter will get half of the camel. So first daughter, that is her elder daughter, will get half of 20. Half of 20, which is equals to? Half of 20 is equals to 10. Now the next one, my second daughter will get 1/4 of the camel. So second daughter got 1/4 of 20. 1/4 of 20, that means 20 divided into 4 equal parts. So 1/4 of 20, just find out by that time. Let me write down this. Third daughter got 1/5 of the camels. 1/5 of 20. Now can you see that, children? First daughter got half of 20, second daughter got 1/4 of 20, and third daughter got 1/5 of 20. 20 divided into 4 equal parts. Did you finish calculation? Yes, it is 5. And third daughter got 1/5 of 20. That means 20 divided into 5 equal parts. So that is equals to 4. Now this is a very interesting thing. When they added 10 plus 5 plus 4, they got 19 camels, and 1 camel was left. How it happened? That 1 camel was nothing, but that 1 camel did not belong to them at all. So aunt said, I am taking my camel back. Now I have done the division. You take your camels. Now are you happy? So children, she was so good at maths. She solved this puzzle within minutes. She said that this is so easy. I just have to add something extra to find out the value, and I could take back my extra thing when my calculation is over. Isn't it interesting? Maths is like this only. Very, very interesting. So now let's see. The next question is about Arun's timetable. Now children, all of us make timetable. When you go to school also, you have a timetable. First period, second period, third period. Similarly, here Arun has made his timetable, what it does in at home, and he has divided his day into how many hours? You can see on the strip how he has divided his day into, because one day has got how many hours? Yes, one day has got 24 hours. So he has divided this strip into 24 pieces, 24 equal pieces. And his mother is telling Arun sleeps at 10 p.m. and wakes up at 6 a.m. He plays from 7 to 8 a.m. and again from 4 to 6 p.m. So, first of all, Arun is telling, I am sleeping 1/3 of a day. We have to find out 1/3 of a day is how many hours. And he studies 1/4 of a day. So 1/4 of a day is again how many hours? And playing also you can find out from the calculation 7 to 8 a.m. and 4 to 6 p.m. So we can find out how many hours he is playing by just simply calculating 7 to 8 a.m. is 1 hour and 4 to 6 p.m. is 2 hours. So let's find out now. Now let's find out what is the value of Arun's total timetable. Now he is telling I am sleeping 1/3 of a day. Now 1 day is equals to 24 hours. Yes. So he is sleeping. Arun is sleeping 1/3 of 24. That means 24 hours divided into 3 equal parts. Can you do it now? Yes, it is 24 divided by how many parts? It is 3 equal parts. So 24 divided by 3 is equals to 8 hours. So Arun is sleeping for 8 hours. And he studies 1/4 of a day. Can you find out? On your own, Arun is studying 1/4 of 24 hours. That is equals to, you can find out on your own. How do you do it? 24 divided into 4 equal parts. So that is the number of hours he is studying. And playing, you can find out. Arun's mother has already told, just now I had told you, he plays from 7 to 8 a.m. 1 hour and again from 4 to 6 p.m. 2 hours. That is 1 plus 2 is equals to 3 hours. So what part of the day does he uses for other activities? So let's find out how many hours he is doing using it for other activity. Then we can find out what part he is doing it for other activity. For that, let's find out. Arun is studying in 1/4 of 24 hours. That is 6 hours. Now Arun is playing how many hours? Just now we calculated, playing for 3 hours. So total number of hours used in sleeping, studying and playing is 8 plus 6 plus 3. That is equals to 17 hours he is using for sleeping, studying and playing. So what part of the day? Now the question asked here is not how many hours of the day. It is what part of the day he is using for other activities. For that, let's find out how many hours he is doing it for other activities. So 24 hours minus 17 hours is equal to 7 hours. 7 hours out of how many hours? Total number of hours is? Yes, children, 24. So 7 out of 24. So what part of the day he uses for other activity? 7 by 24 part he uses for other activity. 7 by 24 part he is using for other activities. Yes, children, understood now how to find out this? It is very easy when you find out like this by taking the total as a whole and then you find out the part by just dividing into equal parts. Now let's go to the next one. Wow, Kirti is a very good girl. She listens to her mother and whatever her mother tells her that Kirti, can you help me out to go and get this one? She is very happy to do that. So one day her mother had given her a shopping list. She had asked that Kirti go and get some vegetables from the market. Kirti said, yes, I'm very happy to go, Mama. Please give me the slip from shopping list. What I need to buy, I will go and get it. And she went to Chinnamma's shop. Now Chinnamma has got vegetables which has got different price. Can you see the board on her shop? It is written tomato is 12 rupees per kilo. Potato is 10 rupees per kilo. Onion is 16 rupees per kilo. Carrot is 18 rupees per kilo. And gourd is 8 rupees per kilo. So she will see Kirti's list and then she will calculate what she wants and how much money Kirti has to give Chinnamma. So let's see. Now the question is, how much does 2 kg of tomatoes cost? So let's first write down the value of each vegetable per kg. Then it will be easier for us to find out the value of the amount which is asked in the question. So the value is tomato is, let's see, tomato is 12 rupees per kg. Rupees 12 per kg. We can write down like this. Then next one is potato 10 rupees per kg. Potato is equals to rupees 10 per kg. Next one is onion 16 rupees per kg. Onion is equals to rupees 16 per kg. Then carrot is 18 and gourd is, carrot is equals to rupees 18 per kg and then gourd is 8 rupees per kg. Now we have to see the question and calculate what is the amount Kirti will give and what is the amount of the question asked. So first question is, how much does 2 kgs of tomato cost? Now the price per 1 kg is 12. So what will be the price of 2 kg? Yes children, you are correct. You have to just multiply 2 into 12. That will be equal to, yes, 24 rupees. So the price of 2 kgs of tomato is 24 rupees. Now how much does half kg tomatoes cost? Now here we do not have the price for half kg. Here we are having price for 1 kg. So how will we find out the price for half kg? Yes, you are correct. We just have to divide by 2. We will find out the value of half kg. So what is the price of half kg? Rupees 12 divided by 2 is equals to 6 rupees. And Kiran wants 2.5 kgs of tomato. So how much it will cost? Now we have found out the price of 2 kg tomato is equals to 2 kg tomato is equals to rupees 24 and half kg tomato is equals to rupees 6. So what will be the price of 2.5 kg? Yes children, can you tell what is the price of 2.5 kg? Just add 24 plus 6, that is equals to rupees 24 plus rupees 6 is equals to rupees 30. Got it? Now can you find out the price of 3.5 kg? Exactly the same way you find out the price of 3 kg potato and also the half kg potato, and you can find out the price of 3.5 kg potato. Just calculate. It's very easy. And next one, question E is, what is the price of 1 1/4 kg of carrot? Now 1/4 kg of carrot means one part out of 4 parts. That means if we are having the price for 1 kg, we can divide it by, yes children, to find out the value of 1/4 kg, we have to divide it by 4. So let's find out the value of 1/4 kg. Then we can find out the price of 1 1/4 kg. So let's see now. The price of 1/4 kg carrot. The price of 1/4 of kg carrot. Now price of 1 kg carrot is equals to rupees 8. So rupees 8 divided by 4. Now children, 18 is not exactly divisible by 4. But we know that we can divide the rupees into paise as well. So can we do it? Yes, we can do it. For you, either you can just do 1800 paise divided by 4, which is equals to 450 paise, that is 4 rupees 50 paise. That is 4 rupees 50 paise. You know 1 rupee is equals to 100 paise. So you just simply multiply 18 into 100, 1800 paise. So 1800 is exactly divisible by 4. So you have found out 450 paise, and that is which is equals to 4 rupees and 50 paise. Now 1 kg carrot is 18 rupees and 1/4 kg is rupees 4 and 50 paise. So what will be the price of 1 and 1/4 kg? The way you have done here, you will do like this over here. Price of 1 kg plus price of 1/4 kg. You will find out the price of 1/4 kg of carrot. Next question, if he bought a good of weight 3/4 kg, 4 kg and 3/4 kg, that is 3/4 kg, and it costs, for that again children we have to find out what is the price of 3/4 kg. So then we can find out the price of 4 kg and we can add it to get the price of 3/4 kg. Now let's find out, look the Kirti's shopping list in her hand and how much she will have to pay to buy the things which her mother wants from her. So let's see now what is Kirti's shopping list. Now Kirti's shopping list is this. Item, she wants potato 1/4 kg. She wants carrot 3/4 kg and gourd 1/2 kg. So the price per kg is already written. Potato 10 rupees per kilo, carrot 18 rupees per kilo and gourd 8 rupees per kilo. Children, when we go to the market, we get something like this. This is called a bill, where the shopkeeper write down the item, price per unit or price per kg, and then he finds out the total amount of each thing, and then they calculate the grand total. This is called billing. And whenever you go to the market, you are buying something, you insist on getting a bill, because bill is something which is a proof that you have got the things from that particular shop. And sometimes they write down with their hand also, but they put their signature that authenticate that thing. So if something goes bad, you can always show that and you can tell that I have taken this thing from you. So can you tell why this thing is bad or something? Maybe they will replace, maybe they will tell you the thing which you can buy, another thing which you can buy from their shop if it is not available. So keep on insisting having a bill for everything. So now let's calculate Kirti's shopping list. So for that we need to find out what is the price of each item. So price of potato. The price of potato is 10 rupees per kilo and Kirti is going to buy 2 1/4 kgs of potato. 2 1/4 kgs of potatoes. So that gives us first find out the price of 2 kg potato. Then find out the price of 1/4 kgs of potato. So let's see what is the price of 2 kg potato. 2 into, yes children, 2 into 10 and 1/4 kgs of potato. First let's find out 2 kg is equals to 20 rupees 20. So first we found out 2 kg potato is equals to rupees 20. 1/4 kg for 2 kg. For 2 kg. And 1/4 kg is equals to 10 rupees 10 divided by 4. Again 10 is not divisible by 4, but we can always convert it into paise and do the division. So 10 rupees equals to how many paise? Yes children, 10 into 100, that is 1000 paise divided by 4. Now it is easily divisible. Yes or no? It is easily divisible. So it is 250 paise, that is equals to 2 rupees and 50 paise. Now what is the price of then 2 and 1 by 4 kg? Rupees 20 plus rupees 2.50, which is equals to 22 rupees 50 paise. Understood? Now you can find out the value of carrot like this and value of good like this, and then count the total number of by adding the amount, and your answer is ready. Your Kirti's shopping list is ready, her bill is ready. Now children, after you have found out the price of 2 and 1/4 kg of potato, you can find out the value of 3 and 3/4 kgs of potato by first finding out 3/4 kgs of potatoes value and then 3 kgs of carrots value, and then you can add 3 kg plus 3 by 4 kg and find out the price of 3 and 3 by 4 kgs of carrot. Similarly, you can find out 1.5 kgs of good by finding out the price of half kg first, and then finding out the price of 1 kg is already written. It is 8 rupees per kg. So just add it over, and then total you can calculate the price of total amount for potato, total amount for carrot, and total amount for good. So you find out that total amount and you will get your grand total. The money which Kirti will pay to Chinamma. You can do it? Yes, of course you can do it. Now that you have got so many calculations you have done, you can do it on your own. Now let's go to the next question. Now Rahim has to travel 1 by 4 kilometer to reach school. So what distance does he travel to go to school and come back home? Now if he is taking 1 by 4 kilometer of distance from home to school, again he has to travel back that much of distance to come back home, isn't it? So what we have to do? Yes children, we have to add it. So let's see. So Rahim goes 1 by 4th kilometer from home to school. From home to school. So again he will come back from school to home. How much distance he will travel? The same distance which he is taking from home to school. So from school to home he will again travel 1 by 4 kilometer. So what will be the total distance travelled by him? 1 by 4 kilometer plus 1 by 4 kilometer. Now children, when we do like this, this is very simple. First you just add the whole numbers. 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1. Then 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Now all of us know that by this time that how many 1/4 are there in half, or how many you can add this 1/4 plus 1/4 to get? Yes, half. So let's find out 1 plus 1, 2. Then 1/4 plus 1/4 is equals to half. So how many kilometers he covers every day? He covers 2.5 kilometers from home to school and school to home. Next question is, Latha bought a pencil and a pen for 7.5 rupees. She gave 10 rupees to the shopkeeper, and the shopkeeper gave back the money in half and quarter rupees. In half and quarter rupees. What are the coins she got? Now for that, first we have to find out what is the amount she got back. So let's see. She gave 10 rupees to the shopkeeper. Okay children? So she gave rupees 10 to the shopkeeper. Rupees 10. And she got the pen and pencil for 7.5 rupees. She got a pen and pencil for rupees 7.5. That is rupees 7.50. So how much money she get back first? Let's see. Rupees 10 minus rupees 7.50. All of you can do this. So what is the answer? Yes, children, the answer is rupees 2.50. Okay, so now she has got 2 rupees and 50 paise back, and the shopkeeper gave back the money in half and quarter rupees only. So children, what is half of a rupee? Half of a rupee is 50 paise. And what is quarter of a rupees? Just now we had learned quarter of a rupees is 25 paise. So if he gave 2 rupees in 50 paise coins and 50 paise in 25 paise coins. So let's see how many coins Latha is bringing back. So rupees 2 has 4 50 paise coins. Yes or no? If rupees 1 has 250 paise coins, rupees 2 will have 450 paise coins. Similarly, 50 paise has how many 25 paise coins? It has got 2 25 paise coins. So in total, Latha will get 4 50 paise coins and 2 25 paise coins in change. Now children, now I will show you another way of calculating this 2 rupees 50 paise in a different way. Now children, in the last example, we had found out that he has to return 6 coins. So let's see now. Can we have it in a different way also? So here the change returned is 2 rupees 50 paise. So if 1 rupees is given as 50 paise, then 1 rupees equals to how many 50 paise? Yes children, there will be 2 50 paise which can make 1 rupees. So rest 1 rupees 50 paise if he gives in 25 paise. So 1 rupee has 4 25 paise coins and 50 paise will have 2 25 paise coins. So total number of coins which he will return, first of all 2 50 paise coins, then how many 25 paise coins? Here you can see there are 4 25 coins and there are 2 25 paise coins. So total 6 25 paise coins. So total coins he will return will be 8 coins. You can find out your own solution by doing different combinations for this. Understood? Now let's go to the next question. Now this is a picture of a railway station and the announcement is going on. Your attention please. Mangalore Express coming from Mangalore and going to Thiruvananthapuram is now running late by half an hour. And the person who is standing, he is saying, oh, the train is late today. The right time is 6:45. Now the right time is 6:45 means the time is 6:45. Now the time of the train is 6:45. The correct time of the train is 6:45. 6:45, let us find out what is the meaning of 6:45. Now quarter is equals to 1/4. You know half is equals to 1/2. Quarter is equals to 1/4. That means if 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes, so quarter of an hour, that is 1/4 of an hour will be 60 divided by 4 is equals to 15 minutes. So 6:45 means 15 minutes to 7 o'clock. That is equals to 6:45. So children, did you understand? 6:45 means 6:45 and the train is running half an hour late. So let's find out the solution. So the correct time of the train is the correct time of the train. Generally, this is the time in which the train should reach. The correct time of the train is 6:45. 6:45 is nothing but 6:45. And the train is running late by half an hour. 1 hour is equals to how many minutes? Yes, children, 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So half an hour will be is equals to just divide 60 into 2 equal parts. That is equals to 30 minutes. Yes, children, very good. So, half an hour is equals to 30 minutes. So, what time is the train expected to come today? So, how will you find out if something is running late? The correct time is this and it is running late. So, what will we do? Should we add or should we subtract? Think, children. Yes, children, we will add the number. Now that it will come late, it will come after the given time. So, we have to add. So, we have to add 30 minutes in 6:45 plus 30 minutes, which is equals to now 7:15. So, the correct time was 6:45. Now, it will reach at 7:15. Now, Nazia gets off a station after 2.5 hours from this station. What time will she get off? Now, the station of which we are talking about, that it will reach at 7:15. Nazia gets down after 2 hours of this station. So, what will you do? After 2 hours means you have to, yes, children, you have to add. So, 7:15, 2.5 hours. So, you have to add 2.5 hours in 7:15 to get the answer. You can do it on your own. Now, Shaji will take 5 hours to reach Ernakulam by this train. At what time will she reach Ernakulam? So, again, if the train is reaching at 7:15 in this station, from there she will take 5 more hours to reach Ernakulam. So, we have to find out by adding 5 hours into this given time. So, 7:15 is the time for this station. From this station, 5 hours more. So, we have to add 5 hours. Now, children, after so many examples, such wonderful stories, I hope you are clear with the calculation of fraction, how to calculate parts, how to calculate the value when given in fraction, and you can find out on your own all the answers. Isn't it interesting? Maths is actually very, very interesting when you practice it and do it correctly. Even if you do not do it correctly, it is okay, but you have to always keep on practicing, and everybody can do maths very easily. Thank you so much.